Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Channel. I'm Emily. So happy to be here with all of you.
And I'm Paul. It's truly fantastic to have you joining us for another fun English lesson. We're so excited to share more with you today.
We really are, Paul. We absolutely love creating these podcasts for you, helping you learn and practice your English. It's our passion.
That's right, Emily. Before we start, if you're enjoying our lessons, please share this podcast, subscribe to our channel, and give us a big thumbs up.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. So, Paul, today we're going to talk about something that's a part of everyone's daily life, something we all do, but often don't think about how to describe it in English. It's a fantastic way to practice everyday vocabulary.
Ooh, I'm excited. What's the mystery topic, Emily? Tell me.
Today we're going to talk all about our evening routine.
Oh, that's brilliant. The evening routine. It's such a relatable topic because, like you said, everyone has one. It's that transition from day to night. The things we do to relax and get ready for the next day.
Exactly. And it's perfect for our listeners, especially those at a basic level, because it involves common actions and simple verbs. You can talk about your evening routine, and that makes it personal and easy to remember.
That's a fantastic point, Emily. So let's start from the beginning of the evening. For many people, the evening routine really kicks off when they get home after work or school, right?
That's it, the moment you step through the door. For me, when I first get home, usually around 6 o'clock in the evening, the first thing I do is kick off my shoes. It's like a little sign that the workday is officially over.
Oh, I totally understand that feeling. Kicking off your shoes is definitely a signal. I do the same thing. And after that, do you usually change your clothes?
Yes, absolutely. That's usually the next step for me. I love to change into something more comfortable. Sometimes it's just sweatpants and a t-shirt. Or if I'm really ready to relax, I might even put on my pajamas early. It's all about comfort after a long day. How about you, Paul?
Oh, comfort is key. I also like to change into comfortable clothes. Maybe some joggers or shorts if it's warm. It's a great way to transition from work mode to relaxation mode. So, after you've changed, what's the next thing you usually do?
After changing, I usually head to the kitchen. My stomach starts to grumble. So, my next step is often to start preparing dinner. I enjoy cooking, so it's a nice part of my evening. I might chop some vegetables, or put some pasta on the stove, or just think about what I want to cook.
That's lovely that you enjoy cooking. I'm a bit different. Sometimes I prepare dinner, but often I just heat up leftovers from the day before. Or if I'm really tired, I might even order takeout or delivery. Pizza or a burger is a quick and easy option sometimes.
That's perfectly fine, Paul. Everyone's evening routine is unique, and it depends on your energy levels and what you like. The important thing is to be able to talk about it. So, while you're eating or waiting for your food, do you usually watch TV or listen to music?
Good question. While I'm eating, or maybe just before, around 7 o'clock, I often turn on the TV to catch up on the news or watch a sports game. Sometimes I just put on some background music, something calm and relaxing. It's nice to have some noise in the house. How about you, Emily?
Yes, I often listen to music while I'm cooking or eating dinner. Sometimes it's a playlist, sometimes it's an album. And after dinner, that's when the dishes usually happen. Around 8 o'clock, I try to do the dishes right away so the kitchen is clean. It's not my favorite task, but it feels good when it's done.
I agree. Doing the dishes is a task, but a clean kitchen feels great. After the dishes are done, that's when the true winding down begins for me. What do you do to relax after all the cooking and cleaning?
The winding down phase. This is important for a good night's sleep. For me, around 8:30 or 9 o'clock, I love to read a book. I have a special reading chair, and I just get lost in a story. It helps me forget about the day's stresses. Other evenings, if I'm not reading, I might watch a movie or a TV series with my family. We have a few shows we all enjoy watching together.
Reading a book sounds very peaceful. I also enjoy reading, but often, after the dishes, I might play a video game for a little while, or just browse the internet on my tablet. Sometimes, I even call my parents or a friend to chat for a bit. It's nice to connect with people before the day ends.
Yes, connecting with loved ones is a wonderful part of an evening routine. Do you ever go for a walk in the evening, Paul? Some people like to do that to get some fresh air.
Oh, good point, Emily. Yes, if the weather is nice and I feel like I need to move a bit, around 9 o'clock, I might take a short walk around the block. It's just nice to breathe in the fresh air and clear my head. It also helps me feel a bit more tired and ready for bed.
That's a great idea. A little walk can make a big difference. So, after all the relaxing and unwinding, what are the very last things you do as part of your evening routine before you actually go to sleep?
The very last things, yes. Usually around 10 o'clock, I head to the bathroom. First, I always brush my teeth. That's a must. And then I like to wash my face to feel clean and refreshed. Sometimes I even take a quick shower if I didn't take one in the morning, especially if it was a hot day. A warm shower helps me relax even more before bed.
I do the same. Brushing my teeth and washing my face are essential. And I also like to put on some moisturizer for my skin. It's a nice little self-care moment. And before I get into bed, I always set my alarm for the next morning. I check it twice to make sure I don't oversleep.
Yes, setting the alarm is crucial. After all that, I finally get into bed. Sometimes, like you, I might read a few more pages of my book if it's really good. But usually, I just try to close my eyes and fall asleep. Hopefully, it happens quickly.
Hopefully. And that's the goal, isn't it? To have a routine that helps you wind down and get ready for a good night's sleep. A consistent evening routine can really make a difference.
It absolutely can, Emily. It's like a signal to your body and mind that the day is ending and it's time to rest. It creates a sense of calm and predictability.
Exactly. And that's why this topic is so helpful for our English learners. They can think about their own routines and use the words and phrases we've discussed today to describe them. It's real-life English.
So let's quickly review some of those super useful phrases we talked about, shall we? We mentioned getting home from work or school.
Yes, and kicking off your shoes or taking off your shoes. Then changing into comfortable clothes, like pajamas or sweatpants.
And after that, preparing dinner, or maybe heating up leftovers, or ordering takeout.
Don't forget doing the dishes. Not always fun, but important.
And for relaxing, we talked about reading a book, watching TV, watching a movie, or playing a video game.
Also, listening to music or calling your family or a friend. And if you like to go outside, going for a walk.
And the last steps before bed, brushing your teeth, washing your face, and maybe taking a shower.
And of course, setting your alarm. And finally, getting into bed and falling asleep.
So many practical, everyday phrases. You can use all of these to describe your own evening.
This is such a practical topic for our listeners, Paul. It's not just about learning new words. It's about learning how to tell your own story in English.
That's the most important part. So, think about your evening routine right now. What do you do when you get home? Do you make dinner? Do you watch a movie? Do you read a book?
Yes. Think about all the small actions you take each evening. Do you prepare your lunch for the next day? Do you pack your bag? Do you organize your clothes for the morning?
These little tasks are all part of your routine. And remember, you can keep it simple. Say, first, I get home. Then, I eat dinner. After that, I watch TV. Simple sentences are perfectly fine.
Exactly. Don't feel like you need to use complex grammar or very long sentences. Start with what you know. Practice saying what you do, step by step.
You can even practice talking to yourself in English. Try it in front of a mirror. Just describe your evening to yourself. I go home at 6. I cook dinner. I do the dishes. I read for an hour.
That's an excellent tip, Paul. Practice really makes a difference. Even just a few minutes of speaking English every day can help you feel more confident.
It really can. And the more you talk about things you do every day, like your routine, the more natural these English phrases will feel.
So we truly hope this episode has given you lots of great ideas and new words to talk about your own evening routine.
We really do. And remember, this is just a guide. Your routine is unique. Perhaps you do some exercise in the evening, or you play an instrument, or you write in a journal.
Yes, all these things are part of an evening routine. Think about yours and practice describing it.
And before we say goodbye for today, we have those important requests again. Right, Emily? We love connecting with you.
Yes, please. If you enjoyed this episode about evening routines, if you learned something new, we would be so grateful if you could subscribe to English channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, subscribe. It's free and easy, and you'll get all our new lessons.
And please share this podcast with your friends, your family, your colleagues, anyone learning English. Spread the word.
And of course, the big one. Give us a thumbs up, a like. It truly helps us know you're enjoying our content and encourages us to make even more for you.
And finally, a question for you, our wonderful listeners. We would absolutely love to hear from you. In the comments section below, tell us, what is your favorite part of your evening routine? Just one thing you really enjoy doing.
Yes, share your favorite part in the comments. We love reading what you write and learning about your lives.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Channel. It's always a true pleasure to learn and grow with all of you.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing your English. Keep speaking, and we'll see you in our next episode.
Bye for now.
See you all soon.